Hello viewers, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line speech on Mother's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Good morning everyone. Second line is Today we gather to celebrate a very special day, that is Mother's Day. Third line is It is a day dedicated to honoring the unconditional love of our mothers. Fourth line is They are our first teachers, caregivers, and role models. Fifth line is They are our biggest cheerleaders. Sixth line is They support us through thick and thin. Seventh line is We owe our existence and everything we are to our mothers. Eighth line is Let us take a moment to thank our mothers for their love and support. Ninth line is To all the mothers out there, thank you for your sacrifices and selflessness. Last line, Happy Mother's Day and thank you all.